Okay, so we've got 3 seismograms, or information from 3 seismograms from 3 different areas, Adelaide, Brisbane and Sydney. So we're going to find the epicentre of an earthquake in Australia. Now I haven't actually given you the seismogram because you're actually going to draw that one yourself. Okay, now, so we've got the arrival of the P wave and we've got the arrival of the S wave. So we need to work out the SP interval. So 10, 26 and 18 seconds was the arrival of the P wave in Adelaide, and the arrival of the S wave was 10, 28 and 28 seconds. So let's work out the difference in time there. So it's gone from 26 to 28 minutes plus another 10 seconds. So that's 130 seconds. Okay, so because obviously there's 60 seconds in a minute, we've got 2 minutes, that's 120 seconds. So we've got 130 seconds. Now we've got to work out our distance from the epicenter from that. Now of course we can use our graph, or the other way we can do that is to use that formula of putting in the 130 and we times that by 9.75, and that gives us 1267.5 kilometers. So that's how it's in kilometers. Now, so if you have a look at our map here, we've got a scale down the bottom. Now, that scale isn't actually big enough. So the scale from kilometers finishes at 500 kilometers, and this is 1267 kilometers. So that's not going to work out for us. We need to work out a way of working out this ratio and then working out our distance. So the way we work it out is we need to use a ruler to work out what this scale is. Alright, so let's see if we can work this out. So 1 centimeter is the same as 100, 200, 300 kilometers. So let's write that down. So the ratio is 1 centimeter, or like, so 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. So I think it's probably better for us to say 10 millimeters is the same as 300 kilometers. We don't have to write kilometers. Now, what is it we're trying to work out? We want to try and work out 1267 kilometers. And we want to know how many centimeters or how many millimeters on our scale that is. So we work out, we express our two ratios like this. Now, to be able to work out what x is, we need to put this into an equation, and we just do that by cross multiplying. So that's 300x equals 10 times 1267. Okay, so then obviously we divide both sides by 300. Now we get our trusty calculator again and say 10 times 1267, and we divide that by 300, and that gives us 42.23 millimeters on our ruler. Okay, so now we get our trusty compass. We need to go 42. Now we're not going to be able to do 42.23, so that's 40, 142 and a smidge after that. Now this is for Adelaide. So Adelaide is actually here. There's Adelaide. It's a little bit hard to see. And so we're just going to go around like this for Adelaide. Okay, so that's the first one.